back to my new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do aesthetic green screens. And yeah, so like I'm using Power Director for my video to edit my videos. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do green screen on Power Director. So, and yeah, if you're also using Power Director or wanna use Power Director, then keep on watching. So first I go to new project, I press on that, and then I press here, and then I write aesthetic. I'm not sure if aesthetic it's like this, but I think so. Green screen. So, and then I press on that. So guys, so you go here. You go here, and then you go on this picture sign, and then you can choose your picture. So like your green screen picture. But like I didn't find any green screen picture, so I'm gonna be using like just a normal green picture, and then I'm gonna put a nice picture on top of it because I couldn't find anyone. So first I put the green one, and then I put this one, and then I go back, and back again, and then I make this bigger a little bit, yeah, and then this one I can make like this. So guys, like it's very important that when you want to put your green screen picture, you have to press on this one and not on this one. So yeah guys, so then when you have it, you're gonna press here on your green screen picture, and then you go on this pencil, and then you can screw here. Then you see chroma key, I think it's called like that, and then you press on it, and then you go on this this thing here, and then it pops up here. You can move it anywhere you like, and then you press on it. Like I can show you again. Like so, actually, because like you have just one green screen picture, like so, then it will also show the thing that's not green screen, that it's not green, and then you press on the green one, and then yeah, you go just back here, and then go back again, and then the green one is not gonna show again, and then you press here, and then you can make it bigger and smaller. So, and then you have it, and then you can add any intro you like or do what you like with it. And so yeah guys, I hope it helped you if you're using Power Director. So yeah guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's free, and press that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And then we see us next time guys. Bye guys, love you so much.